Hi everybody, it is April and I am at the Nut House on a quilting retreat. But I had to share with you this month's So What box. Hold on just a second. Now I've already made the project. I'm struggling. This month's project is a visor organizer. Cute idea. Everything you need is in this box to make this pattern. Now let me tell you what else came with it. This month is the gray month. So you get your card, June 2023, So Gray. I got my fat quarters. Okay, I'm not struggling at all. And once again, she has included the pattern with multiple options on how to make this awesome visor. So I'm going to put a link in my description below. If you are interested in getting this box every month, I highly recommend it. Everything comes pre-cut. You don't have to cut anything out and you just whip it together. Also, she's got videos that show you exactly how to put everything together. There is a card that has the directions on it, but if you need pictures, if you're a picture person like I am, go watch the video and she'll walk you through every step. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate and be kind to everybody. And thank you, Kathy with a C, for injecting into the video. Or was it Day? It was Day. We're having a lot of fun at the Nut House. Thank you, everybody. Bye. It is April and I am nope, let me do it over again. Is a visor, what's it called?